The BLANCO Precis Super Single Sink provides a very spacious single bowl that easily handles large cookware, baking sheets, and meal prep without feeling cramped. Its undermount design creates a seamless transition from countertop to sink, making it simple to wipe crumbs and spills straight in with no grime-catching edges. The Silgranit composite construction feels extremely solid and shrugs off everyday abuse, resisting heat, scratches, stains, chips, and impacts far better than many stainless or porcelain options. Hot pots and baking trays can go directly into the basin without worrying about blistering, burning, melting, or discoloration, which makes busy cooking sessions far less stressful. The non-porous surface does not hold onto residue, so regular cleaning is quick with basic household products rather than harsh chemicals, and it stays looking fresh with minimal effort. On top of its durability, the coal black finish gives the sink a modern, high-end look that pairs well with a wide range of countertop styles and hides minor marks between cleanings.